Don't make boring eggs anymore. Prepare them Oriental style. For this recipe we will need 4 eggs, which I will separate the white from the yolk, in this way as I am doing in 2 containers. Now I'm going to reserve the egg whites for a moment. And in the yolks I will add a pinch of salt and stir very well. In a frying pan I will add a teaspoon of butter and stir until melted. Once melted, I will add the beaten yolks and spread it over the pan. People, this Oriental style egg recipe is super easy to make and is incredibly delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Now I'm going to cut into strips 50 grams of mozzarella cheese, just as I'm doing, but you can substitute it for the cheese of your choice. When the yolks are cooked, I will place the strips of mozzarella cheese in this way. Then I will proceed to roll the cheese with the yolks, as well as you see it. Next, in the egg whites I had reserved I will add a tablespoon of dehydrated parsley, also a pinch of salt, and I will mix to incorporate these ingredients very well. Then in the pan I will pour half of the egg white and spread it over the pan, but remember friends that you must have the stove on low heat. Then I will add the rest of the egg whites and wait for it to cook over low heat. In another bowl I will add 3 eggs, plus a pinch of salt and beat well until the eggs break. Meanwhile I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Garrett Boysen from South Africa, also for Rio Inovero from Philippines, and Mercy Mwinzi from Ghana. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. When the egg white is cooked, I will continue to roll in the same way as the first time, and reserve it for a few minutes. In the same pan, I will add a little more butter and melt it well. Now I'm going to add some of the beaten egg mixture. Then I will add grated mozzarella cheese, spreading it through the egg. Then I will place a sausage and roll it with the egg mixture. Next I will add a little more of the egg mixture and more grated mozzarella cheese. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I like the egg, so I can send you a very special greeting. And already our recipe with eggs in a different way is ready. We have learned 2 new ways to cook eggs in the Oriental style. I hope you make this recipe at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes.